children.
Hello, kids. Today I will tell you about something called Wi Fi. It is a way for different devices like tablets and phones to communicate with each other without using wires. Imagine it as an invisible bridge that connects them all together. Today I will show you how Wi Fi works, why it is important, and what to do to keep it safe. By a big tree, a little bird and a kitten were sitting. The kitten was wondering how it is possible to use the internet in different rooms at home without dragging wires. The little bird said it must be thanks to invisible cables flying in the air. I explained to them that wireless fidelity works using radio waves, similar to those in radios, but specially designed for computers. The little bird laughed and said that they are not cables after all. At the playground, a frog and a parakeet were talking about times when Wi Fi does not work well. The frog noticed that sometimes the internet is slower when everyone at home is using it at the same time. The parakeet added that once at the office, her friend blocked the Wi Fi because he typed the wrong password. I explained to them that Wi Fi has limited bandwidth, which means it can only handle a certain amount of data at a time. I also mentioned that securing Wi Fi with a password is important because otherwise, strangers could use the internet, slowing it down for everyone. By the pond, a guinea pig and a puppy decided to test their knowledge. I asked them why it is good to have a password for wireless fidelity. The guinea pig answered that without a password, someone could use the internet without permission. The puppy added that a password protects data from internet thieves. Both answers were correct, so I thanked them for their smart responses and emphasized how important it is to take care of security. It was a very interesting meeting. Today, we learned how wireless fidelity works, what can slow it down, and how to keep it safe. Remember to always use a strong password and not to share it with strangers. See you later, children.